If you're suffering from a chronic neck tension and the pain that doesn't get better with the stretching, massaging, heating pack or ice pack, then this movement series is for you. And not only this will help you improve your neck pain and tension, this will help you understand your body and the better movement from the inside out so that you can help yourself and live your life more comfortably and confidently in the future. So let's get into today's movement retraining. Today's exercise is another chair lesson, so go ahead and grab a chair and sit on the front edge of the chair. And go ahead and lean your elbows, your forearms onto your thighs. I'm going to start turning to the right side first. So keep your left elbow on your left thigh and put the back of your right hand on the side of your left face or the cheek. And you're going to reach your right elbow out to the side, turning from your chest, leading with your elbow. So keep your head and resting on the back of your hand. And this is quite demanding in mobilizing your chest, your thoracic spine. For a lot of people, this is a quite challenging and foreign area to move from. So don't strain your body too much. Movement might be quite limited and quite small, but that's okay. Just start with what you can. This is very, very important for the health of your neck. So go ahead and gently turn with your chest. Go ahead and reach in your elbow out to the side and bring it back down. So just to do a few times and then rest. It's a quite demanding movement and quite demanding positions. Just a few times, but with a good quality. Make sure you don't hold your breath. Make sure you don't really stiffen your chest or the stomach muscles. Allow your spine, your chest, your rib cage to rotate and turn. After a few repetitions, and go ahead and rest yourself and then come back to the movements again. So you shouldn't really feel much strain on your neck. Go ahead and switch over to the other side. Go ahead and place the back of your left hand on the side of your face on your right side. Same thing, lean your right elbow on your right thigh and go ahead and turn. And reach your elbow out to the side. And come back. Don't hold your breath. Don't stiffen. Don't tighten your core muscles. Don't tighten your abdominal muscles. Just think about allowing your spine, your rib cage to move. Keep your abs relaxed as you are turning, because you stiffen your chest, you stiffen your abdominal muscles, your core muscles, you're going to immobilize your thoracic spine and rib cage, which increases the demand on your necks. So the purpose of this exercise is, well, yes, it does mobilize your spine, so it is a mobility movement exercise, but really emphasizing retraining, reorganizing the movement patterns. So you're changing your habitual movement patterns and you are going to better integrate your chest with your neck. That's how you can improve your function of your neck, improve your neck stiffness, tension, and the pain for good. And that's what you want, right? From this movement retraining. And after you're done on both sides, and go ahead and come up to sit. And go ahead and turn your chest side to side and see how your neck feels, how you can move through your spine. Check the movement of your neck and the head side to side and see how that feels. Now, hopefully that feels better. I want to let you know that you can join my free masterclass, Path to Comfort, Confidence, and Authenticity in Your Body. And this is an overview of my comprehensive movement course called Understanding How Your Body Moves method. If you want to submit your application to this course, and you can do so in the master class. So I hope to see you inside the master class.